Hiring your first sales rep can either double your business or completely destroy it. Here is the thing most window cleaners get wrong. You should not hire your sales rep first. You should hire your technicians first. Sales create demand and technicians fulfill it. If you scale demand before fulfillment, your business breaks. Here is the rule I use. Before hiring your first sales rep, you should have at least 2 technicians or 1 full operating crew that can run jobs without you being on the side. If you still have to be on every job with your technicians or babysit them, you're not ready for hiring sales reps. Sales becomes a priority when you have reliable technicians, your job quality is consistent, and your schedule feels faster than you can fulfill it. At that point, every additional sale is profit, not a stress. Another non-negotiable thing is that you yourself must be able to sell the service first. If you can't sell it yourself, you can't train someone else to sell it. So here is the rule to remember. Technicians first, systems second, and sales third. If you follow that order, sales will actually scale you. First way we hire sales reps is Indeed. Notice something very important. We don't try to sound nice. We make it very clear, door-to-door sales, commission only, exact numbers per sales, and real expectations. Why this works? If someone gets scared by commission, rejection, or walking, they quit before you ever talk to them. And if someone isn't comfortable with commission, they're not built for sales. Key numbers we include is 25 to 40% commission, 1 to 2 hours to get a sale, and this is important for the guys who are switching from other industries, and paid training. We usually pay $20 per hour, plus full commission on day 1. This one actually attracts a lot of reps from other industries. And the full copy-paste description actually of this job you can find directly in the link below. Screening questions we use is: do you have access to a car? How many hours can you work per week? And what interests you about door-to-door sales? And actually, those questions save insane amount of time. If you want, comment how many technicians you have and your average ticket size, and I'll tell you if you're ready for sales or not.